Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest on Robinhood. First, download the Robinhood app from your app store and begin the account creation process. You'll need to provide some personal details for identity verification, which typically takes less than one business day. Next, securely link your bank account to facilitate deposits and withdrawals. Finally, fund your new account with an initial deposit, perhaps starting with as little as $10, to begin your investment journey. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the Robinhood app's intuitive interface. The home screen provides a quick overview of market performance and your portfolio. Use the search bar at the bottom to easily locate specific stocks or exchange-traded funds. Each company profile offers essential financial data, including historical performance and key metrics. Don't forget to check analyst ratings and recent news to inform your decisions. Now let's make your first investment. After selecting a stock or ETF, you'll decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. You can buy whole shares or fractional shares, perhaps starting with just $1. Carefully review all the details of your order, including the total cost, before confirming your purchase. Effective portfolio management is key to long-term success. Regularly check your investments to track their performance and make informed adjustments. Diversifying your portfolio across various sectors and asset classes can help mitigate risk. Consider enabling dividend reinvestment to automatically grow your holdings. As you gain experience, explore advanced features like options trading or recurring investments to further enhance your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.